Hi, my name is Rudolf Rohr. I'm the CEO of Barracks Communication. What I wanted to show you here is a completely new IP application. What we use as a base is our HD encoder called Ryoxo. Ryoxo can take in any signal from HDMI, DVI to HD SDI. We now generated a software. This software can monitor all the different inputs. What you can see here is on the top right is an input from a Ryoxo encoder. On the top bottom right you can see an input from a IP camera, a standard IP camera, surveillance camera, and on the top left you will see the input also through an encoder, but this time there is a computer, the base. Now what we can do is we can quite simple work and bring the screen to the main screen. You will see that here you have a lower frame rate because it's just a monitor. It doesn't really matter. You don't need that many frames. But once you go live to the big screen, you'll get more frames. So that's really how we're treating it. Now, in addition, if your input is, for example, a computer, and your computer is like 200 k's away, and you want to control that computer, just click on the computer screen, and now you move your mouse into that area, you double click, and now this mouse, this new mouse, is now on that computer on the remote side. So when we look at a system like that, we can bring in all different inputs, DVI, HD SDI, a normal surveillance camera. We can also bring anything that has an DVI output and put it together into one platform. This is a game changer because now we use the IP backbone as a virtual matrix and connect any input to any output. In addition, we can archive the information. Just imagine you're on an operation, you have an HD image from the operation that's transmitted somewhere. At the same time, you have your heartbeat machine with a DVI output. It's also monitored. And you combine this to one package. Now you can archive it, you can teach students on it, and of course, you can distribute it onto any player so students can look it at home and get all the information, not just one image. No, they get all the information in that room that was happening right then. Thanks a lot.